When you receive your backrest package, it contains a backrest, a bracket, 2 long screws, 4 short screws and 2 nuts. You'll need to prepare the 2 tools in the video yourself. Start by putting 2 long screws through the 2 small holes in the bracket. Put the bottom of the backrest between the seat cushion and the seat bracket. Place the brackets on the bottom of the backrest and secure them with the long screws and nuts. Finally, the bracket is secured to the seat bracket with 4 small screws.